in the NumPy array how to generate the array, and in that array how to pick a specific values, specific elements of that array by using the row indexing and column indexing. We have seen that that array, and we have seen how we can get the elements which are greater than the particular limit. Let's say between 100 and 150, what are the elements are there. So we are able to extract those elements from the array. And in NumPy, we have another concept called transpose. Another concept called transpose. Okay. So in transpose. So using transpose, what we can do? It is used to reverse the array shape. It is used to reverse the array shape. It is used to reverse the array shape. So here, what we'll give is we'll give array is equal to np dot random dot randint of, let's say, 50 comma 60 comma the indexing, the shape. Here the shape is 4 comma 6. So we can reverse that one, like 6 comma 4. We can reverse that one. Okay, let us see how we can do that reversing by using the transpose. Transpose is a function in NumPy. So let me go to Colab. Here, let us import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP. Let me click install. Okay, it's there. Now it's working. So np dot random dot randint of 50 comma 60 comma 4 comma 6. Okay. So these are the elements. What we have. We are able to generate the array. So let us see what is the shape of this one. np dot random dot randint. So here, yeah, let me give you the, let me assign the array to the variables here. So here the variables what we are giving is array is equal to, because I want to see the shape. So in order to see the shape, we can take the variable array dot shape. So the shape is 4 comma 6. Okay. So now I want to transpose that one. I want to transpose the shape. How I can transpose the shape? For that, we have a function in NumPy. Array dot transpose. I want to show you the. You see here, this. If you see here, you have 6 columns. You have 6 columns here, and here you have 4 columns. Here you have 4 columns. How it got done? It did a transpose. It transposes the shape from 4 comma 6 to 4 comma 6 to 6 comma 4. Let us see that. Here array of t. T is transpose I am giving. So array of t. What we are doing, we are transposing this array. We're transposing this array. Okay. Let us see the shape of that array of t. Array of t dot shape. See, it transposes to 6 comma 4. Transpose it to 6 comma 4. So like this, what we can do, we can transpose the array. Transpose the array. Here, what is the dimension of this one? What is the dimension of this array? Array of t dot ending. Array of t dot ending. So it is 2 dimension. It's 2 dimension. Let's say I want to transfer. I want to transpose 3 dimension array. I want to transpose 3 dimension array. So how I can do? First of all, let us generate the. Let us generate the 3 dimension array. np dot random dot rand int of 100 comma 200 comma 2 comma 5 comma 8. 2 comma 5 comma 8. Okay, let's print that array 3. Okay, this is a 3-dimensional array. The 3-dimensional array. Here, the shape is 2 comma 5 comma 8. Okay, 2 comma 5 comma 8. If you see here, we will have total 8 columns. We will have 8 columns. We will have two sets. We will have 2 sets of elements. We will have a matrix. We will have, and we will have each set will have 5 rows. Each set will have 5 rows. Okay. So this is the shape. This is the shape of this particular array. You can check the dimension. You can check the dimension dot ndim. See, 3-dimension it is. 3-dimension. So here the shape is this one. Here the shape is this one. Is the shape what we have. So what I want to do, I want to change the shape. Let's say I want 8, 5, and 2. I want to change the shape like this. So here what happens is, when initially when we are creating the first one, the 2 is access 0. 2 is access 0. 5 is access 5 is access 1 and 8 is access 2. Okay, 8 is access 2. So here what we want to do, we want to change that one. We want to change the shape. We want to change the shape. So what we can do, we can use a transpose. We can use a transpose. And along with the transpose, we need to give the shape also. We need to give the shape also. Then only it will do a transpose. Okay. So how we can do the transpose? Let us see. Here, here we had array 3. So let us take array 3. In array 3, dot transpose. Transpose. So here, as I said, right here, the first here we need to understand this one. 0, 2 is 0. Here 2 what 2 indicates here? 2 is this one. This 2 matrix will x-axis. When x is equal to 0, sorry, not x-axis. X is equal to 0. So we'll have 2 sets we'll have here, and 5 means 5. Each set will have 5 rows here. That is x 1, and 8 is number of columns. Number of columns here. So we have 8 columns here. Now I want to reverse that one. I want to make 8 sets and 8 sets with the 5 rows and 2 columns. Okay. So let us try that one. Let us try that. 8, comma, 5, comma, 2. 5, comma, 2. Sorry. Okay. So here, okay, let me. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Okay. So here what we need to do here, 8 means it's a 2. We need to give the axis, not the shape. We need to give the axis. So 8 is 2, and 5 is 1, and 2 is 0. And 2 is 0. Okay. So let me put that 2, because already there is a shape for this one. Already there is shape for this one. What we are trying to do, we are trying to change the shape. We are not going to try to change the elements. We are not going to try to change the elements. Okay. So 2, comma 1, comma 0. Dot shape. Two comma 5 comma 8. And it's 3 dimension. comma 8, comma 2. 1 second. Comma 2, comma 0. Okay. I gave the name as array 3 dim. So this is a naming issue. Okay, you see? Yeah, that's nothing but the name, the variable name I'm taking as array. Okay, it is array 3 dim. So it changed the shape for us. So let us take the original plan what we are going to take here. We want 5 comma 8 comma 2, or we want 8 comma 5 comma 2. So let us take 8 comma 5 comma 2. So that is 2 comma 5 means 1 comma 0. Okay, 2 comma 1 comma 0. So let me take that. 2 comma 1 comma 0. Okay, the shape got changed. And even you can print the shape. Print the shape here. Okay, you see 8 comma 5 comma 2. The earlier the shape is 2 comma 5 comma 8. But now the shape got changed to 8 comma 5 comma 2. Change the shape of the elements. Okay, so even you can see here the rand dot shape. The shape is 3, and now the shape is 8 comma 5 comma 2. So like this, what we can do, we can change the shape of the elements. Okay, so next let us see about the insert. These are all functions in the NumPy. Insert. What it will do? It will insert the element in the given array. Okay. So let us see how it will work, that insert. Let me take a one-dimensional array. Array is equal to np dot random dot randint. Randint 100 comma 200. Let me give some shape. Okay, I generated the elements here. So it generated the number of elements. By default, it is a one dimension. I have given only one, so it is a one dimension. So here, let's say, want to insert some number. Where, let's say 156. I want to insert another number at 156. So this, how I can do that one? I can use a insert function. Array dot insert insert, where we need to give the variable. Which variable? Array. Comma. And we need to give the index. So this is 0, 178 is 0, this is 1, and 156 is 2. Okay. So I am giving 2. And after that, I am giving the element, the number, what we want to give. So I want to give it as 200. Okay. To give it as 200. Let us see. Here I need to give NP. Sorry, NP. Yes, we need to give the array, not array. We need to give the NumPy. NumPy. So let me NP dot insert array, 2 comma. Okay. Yeah. See, 200 is inserted here. 200 is inserted. So how I'm able to do that? Using NP. It's a NumPy function. So I'm taking NP dot insert array 2 comma. 2 means here it is earlier it is 156. Now I replaced this one with 200. Okay. So like this, what we can do, we can insert the elements. We can insert the elements in the array. Can insert the elements in an array. Okay. And let's say if you want to insert a group of elements, like if you want to insert a random two-dimensional array, two-dimensional array. Here, this array is one dimension. So if you want to insert a two-dimension array, so what we can do is np dot. First, let me generate the two-dimension array. np dot two. I'm giving two array. That means two-dimensional array. np dot random dot randint dot randint 10 comma 50 comma 4 comma 6. So it should not, I should not start with this one. Yeah, I'm sorry. So here, okay, we generated, and now array 2 array 2 Now let us see how we can insert that one. np dot insert e2 1 comma. I'm going to insert at the first level. So 100 comma 100 comma 100. Okay. So let's see. Not A2, this is array 2. Array 2. Okay. So like this, what we can do, if you see, the element got inserted. Where? At the indexing 1. At the first index, it has given the elements here. Okay. So like this, what we can do, we can insert the group of elements inside the array as well. Okay. Yeah. I'll stop here, guys. We'll continue tomorrow with the rest of all the NumPy related functions. Okay.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.